But now, let's go back to Vishali and Raju, right, and focus a little bit more on the tech. We've heard what the tech stack is, we've heard the problems the buyers have, we've heard what your solutions and your problems are. What's the future? Where do you see the tech stack going? What are the new things that you're, subject to being able to publicly discuss it? What are the new things you're working on, which might interest the two gentlemen sitting right next to you?
Yeah, I'll go first. So I think there is a level of standardization that is required. So that's something that is really missing in terms of the way the data is captured, in terms of the data that is being transferred. So I think as an industry, between the tech platforms and the banks and the other bodies, I think we should work on some kind of a data exchange platform, which is missing today. I think that's something that will definitely facilitate these relationships to flourish better, and the integrations can happen faster. Because today, while we would have worked with two partners, but getting a third partner onto the board, it becomes really difficult to translate the data. So we definitely expect that there has to be a body defining the entire standard way of communicating between the parties. I think that will definitely work.
Yeah. So from a tech perspective, I think over the last year, like we have built a lot of tech. We've seen different kinds of problem statements for working with different lenders and different products, right? So the challenges for supply chain finance would be different than challenges for gold will be different than challenges for vehicle, right? So we have kind of built those kind of things, it's about the agility of the platform, that how the tech is built and how the tech is to be evolved to continuously meet the needs of the co-lending, right? Because in co-lending, when typically we are working with a lender, the scope is much larger, because a lender might choose to have one LOS LMS for one specific problem statement like retail, and they could have another LOS LMS for another problem. But when they typically go for a co-lending, the expectation is that one single platform is able to handle all the products. Right. So it is like one LOS LMS which is working for the two parties and handling the different products. Right. So we had to support, like, for example, gold STP journeys where the loan is disbursed in 10 minutes in a real-time proceeding for a CLM1. So it has the agility of the product, that it can handle all kinds of loan products on one single platform, and has those relevant API stack which can integrate with, on one side with the lenders, the originator, and the other side with the bank. And there is no piecemeal solution which would work in co-lending, wherein if one solution provider is only helping for origination but not for underwriting, or only helping for origination and underwriting but not for the management, because otherwise it becomes a lot more challenging if the solution is not complete and if the solution is not 360 degree.
Right. Interesting. Fabulous.